Okay, so I did bag 22 like a couple days ago, and so what I did in it was I built the upstairs of the kitchen, where the kitchen's at, and I built like the surrounding parts of it, and I can't really show you guys because I forgot about doing the video. So, and I already built the next bag. So, that's all I can say. Bye. Yes, bag 22 is complete. Not only did we build a roof, but we also built the interior. How does it look? Looks great to me. We got our fridge, we got our pizza, we also built this with the ticket inside, and then a microwave, and there's where the anvil will drop down to the basement. So yeah, and the roof, and just like all of the other ones, it just pops on and pops off. So we still got one more bag until the set is done. So stay tuned for the next video.